Picture this. It's a quiet Sunday afternoon. You're sitting at your desk, sipping on a cup of coffee and staring at your YouTube channel. The views are decent, the subscribers are trickling in, but you're craving more. You want to make waves in the world of YouTube. You want your channel to be the talk of the town, the buzz of the internet, but how? Well, that's where we come in. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the world of AI YouTubers. That's right, artificial intelligence is not just a thing of sci-fi movies anymore. It's here, it's now, and it's ready to take your YouTube game from zero to hero. First up, we have VidIQ, an AI tool that's going to change the way you look at keywords. Forget about spending hours on end researching the perfect keywords for your videos. VidIQ does all the heavy lifting for you. It finds the hottest keywords that will catapult your video straight to the top of search results. And the best part? You can find links to VidIQ in the description box below. But we're not stopping there. We're also introducing you to Simplified, an AI tool that lets you create videos with AI characters using text-to-speech technology. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. We're always sharing the latest tips and tricks to help you make the most of your YouTube journey. With Simplified, you can add a new layer of engagement to your videos with dynamic storytelling and captivating visuals. And guess what? You can find links to Simplified in the description box below. While you're still there, why not leaving a comment? Write one if you knew it, two if like what you learn here. Now, armed with VidIQ and Simplified, you're ready to uncover the hidden gems that other creators might miss. You're ready to stand out from the crowd and make a name for yourself on YouTube. But what about voiceovers? Well, we've got you covered there too. Meet ElevenLab, your new best friend in the world of AI voiceovers. With ElevenLab, you can turn your script into a professional-grade voiceover in minutes. No more fretting over finding the perfect tone or cadence. ElevenLab has got you covered. So now, with vidIQ, Simplified, and ElevenLab at your disposal, you're ready to take on the world of YouTube. You're ready to create, to innovate, and to watch those views and dollars roll in. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you found this video helpful, show us some love by smashing that like button. And remember, with the right tools and a dash of creativity, there's no limit to what you can achieve on YouTube. Now, why not check out this interesting video?